is gorgeous and great taste. Such an elegant coffee table.
Happy Christmas.
And this bed is fit for a king. It must have cost a fortune.
Actually, we bought it away first.
Wayfair, extraordinary.
Who's a pretty boy?
Get extraordinary furniture.
Who's a pretty boy?
Prices.
Oh.
£40
Oh.
to the UK.
Oh.
Now at wayfair.co.uk. This Christmas, nothing's stopping us. The time is for two on any option party food.